where was I?
You had just turned 25?
Right. So I just turned 25 and...
Sorry, Dr. Edelman's dog Bella. Please continue.
So I had just turned 25. There I was, Laura Talbot, barely making ends meet at this low-rent temp agency. No boyfriend, no prospects. There was nothing to look forward to. So I decided to see a palm reader.
I see your luck changing. By the time you're 30, you will be successful in your profession.
Successful? In advertising. How successful?
You will have great success. All the things you want but cannot afford, they will be yours. Also, I see a man in your life.
What kind of man?
African American, tall, kind, devastatingly handsome.
You're not joking, are you?
Maleva never joke.
She was right on both counts. I'm a top earner at Caney Charloff. I'm making fantastic money. Brentwood condo, Lexus 350. Daniel is an absolute dreamboat. But that's not all she said.
I see one other thing.
What is it?
On the day you turn 30, you will become a creature of the night.
Really? At what club? Avalon?
No, not that creature. You will become a wolf.
A wolf? What is that, like the new cougar? I'm just gonna run around chasing younger men?
Child, you're not hearing me. You will become a werewolf. When the moon is full, you will change into the beast. You will hunt your prey, rip out its throat, feast upon its blood, and you will know no greater pleasure.
You're good. That was really good. That was awesome.
Maleva never lie.
Seriously, that was priceless.
Maleva never wrong. $10, please.
Yeah. Seriously, you need to do a podcast. That was great.
Well, of course, she was putting you on.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I thought, so I just kind of forgot about it. And then 5 years later, the morning after my 30th birthday, morning.
Morning.
Hi, Miss Muffin. Sweetie, I love you so much. Last night was incredible. I can't believe you invited all those people.
No problem.
And I feel great today. You know, I got white girl wasted last night and I don't even feel the least bit hungover today.
Good.
What is wrong?
Forget it.
No, tell me. What happened? Did I make a fool of myself?
No, not exactly.
Okay, then what is it? Because this isn't like you. Especially after a night of hot and crazy sex. What is wrong with you?
Babe, I got scratches up and down my back.
Scratches? From what? Muffin?
Not the cat! From you!
Me? How could I?
It wasn't you last night. It was some wild animal.
What are you talking about?
Look, it's my fault. I know I told you I like it rough.
Oh, babe. Did I bite off more than I could chew?
No!
He flew to Chicago that afternoon. And it's just been text messages since then.
Well, it sounds like Daniel's working through things. Give it some time.
Yeah, but that's not the end of it. After I dropped him off at LAX, I decided to go grocery shopping. Weird cat.
So you like meat. But no crime in that.
Yeah, but I mean, I've been a vegetarian for half of my life.
Oh,
And that's not the worst of it. That same night, I went to bed. And I had a dream. I was in the forest.
what were you doing in the forest?
I was hunting. I killed Bambi. I killed Bambi. And there was just so much blood and I just couldn't, and I was screaming and the Bambi was screaming.
So you had a bad dream. Who hasn't?
Yeah, well, Fran, what is wrong with me?
Laura, you've just turned 30. For most people, especially women, that's a landmark. And with the pressure to have it all together and that biological clock ticking louder than ever, well, that can be overwhelming. You're going to be all right.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. I see it all the time with young women your age. You know, I'm also vegetarian, but every once in a while, I do love a good burger. Oh, time's up.
Thank you. That really helped.
You can always come back. Of course, today was my introductory rate. The standard rate is...
Well worth it, I'm sure. Thank you, Fran.
You're welcome, Laura. Bye. You wouldn't believe the day that I've had. I just finished with a nitwit who thinks she's a werewolf.
Crap! My purse! Dang it!
So, where do you want to eat? damn dog. Sounds good. Really. What can a girl eat and not feel guilty?